Is your company spending thousands of dollars on engineering software like Autodesk, Ansys, or MATLAB? But do you know how many expensive licenses are sitting idle while you continue to overpay? Is collecting basic statistics no longer enough? Your business needs real analytics. The license usage report shows the overall picture. The maximum concurrent usage of each software feature as a percentage of available licenses. This is the key indicator that immediately highlights which modules are at maximum load and which are idle. If you need a more detailed analysis, the License Usage Details report shows exactly how many licenses for a specific program were used at every hour of the day. This helps you pinpoint when your software is in full use and when it's idle. The License Activity Report breaks down the total program runtime into useful usage and idle hours. You'll quickly spot employees who launched expensive software in the morning, then went to lunch or a meeting, leaving their license locked. The License Activity Details report provides a detailed audit for each user and application. It compares total software usage time with actual idle hours, identifying sessions where licenses are blocked without any real activity. This objective data allows for informed return of idle licenses to the general pool and optimization of their procurement. The next report is License Allocation Details, which provides a complete overview of the distribution and actual consumption of your licenses. It shows which employees are assigned personal subscriptions, allowing you to monitor their use. The License Procurement Report aggregates key commercial information on software procurement. It allows you to track license types, versions, and expiration dates, helping you plan your IT budget on time. The Licenses Not in Use report instantly finds purchased programs that no one launched at all during the selected period. You will immediately see the dead software that lies idle on the server, and you will be able to completely cross out these licenses from the budget the next time the contract is renewed. The Named License Analysis report closely monitors the most expensive licenses, named licenses assigned to employees. You'll immediately see which engineers are actually using the program and which are simply holding their subscriptions. This will allow you to promptly transfer the license to another specialist or cancel it before the end of the year. The Borrowed Licenses report shows licenses that have been temporarily assigned to specific employees. You'll see who has software locked and for how long, preventing unnecessary reservations and protecting your company from artificial shortages. The License Utilization report clearly shows which software is actually working and which the company is wasting money on. The graph instantly identifies excess licenses that have been sitting idle on the server for years. This is your key tool for safely reducing your IT budget. The system automatically suggests the optimal purchase volume, ensuring you don't overspend on any unnecessary licenses. The Multi-License Consumption report instantly identifies hidden overpayments when one employee holds multiple licenses simultaneously. The Multi-License Consumption report gives you a quick view of users who duplicate sessions on different devices or run multiple modules simultaneously. This makes it easy to prevent the misuse of expensive software and return blocked licenses back to the pool. The report summary section gives you an instant assessment of your entire licensing infrastructure. You can immediately see the overall health of your service, critical errors, and key anomalies, allowing you to monitor the situation without delving into technical details. The Top 10 report panel automatically displays key optimization points. The tool highlights critical outliers, from users experiencing the longest software downtime to programs experiencing the most frequent access denials. This allows for targeted elimination of both financial losses and engineer downtime. The Host Availability tab monitors the availability of licensing servers and ports in real time, helping IT prevent system failures before they lock down project teams. The feature usage per group report shows which software functions and modules are used by specific departments. This is an indispensable tool for fairly distributing IT expenses across departments. You can clearly see which teams are truly utilizing expensive software and which are using it minimally. The Feature Usage per User tab breaks down activity down to the individual employee. The graph clearly shows which specialized modules and add-ons each employee uses. This allows you to quickly identify those using only basic features and safely upgrade their expensive, comprehensive licenses to more affordable versions. The session report shows how many times employees opened the program. Easily identify those who only launch the software occasionally and assign these licenses to colleagues who need them for daily work. The Group Usage Report analyzes session duration by group. You'll instantly see who's blocking licenses with long, inactive sessions, and you can optimize shared access without purchasing additional copies of software. Project usage shows how many license hours were spent on each specific project. This is an indispensable tool for accurately calculating project costs and planning future software costs. The Project Details tab organizes your projects by priority, deadline, and completion status. It helps align business tasks with IT resources and ensure key projects are always licensed. The User Details panel links each employee to their department and the programs they run. You can quickly check the actual availability of specialists, promptly disable access to inactive accounts, and stop paying for software no one uses. The Denials report shows which employees and which programs are most frequently missing licenses. You'll instantly identify the actual software shortages that are hindering designers' work and understand which licenses need to be purchased specifically. The Integrated Denials report aggregates all denials by server, vendor, department, and specific computer. You can quickly pinpoint the problem and understand its cause, whether it's due to a general license shortage or a technical failure on a specific workstation. The Denials Details table records every failure down to the specific user, workstation, and time. By storing precise error codes, the system allows IT specialists to instantly determine the true cause of the problem, from a genuine license shortage to technical failures or access rights restrictions. The Process Session report allows you to track absolutely every process launched by every user on any computer in the company. With this complete visibility, you can focus on analyzing idle time. This will help you instantly identify sessions that are idle for hours and optimize software usage. The dongle monitoring panel takes control of the use of physical USB security keys. The system tracks their movement and operating time by user and instantly identifies locked or unauthorized devices, protecting your hardware assets from loss and theft. The Touchpoint Data section allows you to monitor the use of web applications and cloud services. You'll get a clear picture of employee activity across various resources, helping you assess true team engagement and optimize spending on expensive SaaS subscriptions. With OpenLM, you can monitor not only classic licenses, but also token-based software. The Token Usage Report collects this data in one place, clearly showing token usage trends by user and product. This allows you to quickly spot abnormal spending and stay within your prepaid IT budget. The Token Activity table details every debit within the token system. You can track exactly who is spending the balance, when, and for what program. With OpenLM, you always see the actual number of tokens spent and the exact balance in your package. The Cost per Feature report clearly compares your investment amount with the actual cost of software consumption. You'll immediately see the top modules that are most expensive for your company, evaluate their ROI, and quickly identify features you're overpaying for. The cost per day chart displays the daily cost of license consumption. This allows you to monitor spending by day, promptly detect sudden cost spikes, and plan future IT budgets based on accurate statistics. For more information, visit our website www.openlm.com.